ZT368DG rear shock absorber. Yellow disassembly and assembly video tutorial preparation tool. Number 3 and number 5 in a hexagon wrench. Cross screwdriver number 14. Number 16 socket torque wrench. Number 14 opening wrench shot. Non-woven fabrics use number 16 sleeves. Remove the left and right rear shock absorbers and assemble the fixing bolts at the lower part. Use number 3 hex wrench to assist in removing the plug. Use a 14 gauge opening wrench to fix the nut. Number 14 sleeve loosening bolt. Remove the nut bolt and remove the right rear shock absorber. Use number 3 hex wrench to assist in removing the plug. Use a 14 gauge opening wrench to fix the nut. Number 14 sleeve loosening bolt. Remove the nut bolt and remove the left rear shock absorber. Use air guns and non-woven fabrics. The sediment that presets the rear shock absorption at the adjustment. Clean up the dust. Prevent jamming when adjusting preload. Preloaded with number 3 hex wrench. Locking bolt for adjusting knob. Use a cross screwdriver. First put the jade on the knob to the jade. Rotate 1 in the direction of adjustment. 2 turns and then adjust the jade to the minimum. Turn the jade on the knob to the top of the reducing needle. Rear shock absorption is in minimum condition. 2 people cooperate and 1 person presses the spring. 1 person removes the gearing of the spring. Finally, remove the spring. Rear damper after pressing. Observe whether the rebound of the damper is normal. Are there setbacks in the rebound process? The disassembly method of the left and right rear shock absorber springs is the same. Installation of ZT368DG rear shock absorber spring. Move the rear shock yellow rubber sleeve down. Rear shock absorber spring. Dense spacing orienter safety pack. 1 person presses the spring. 1 person puts the spring ring back. Gear ring mounting groove. It needs to be installed in the shock absorption base. Use a size 5 hex wrench. Will be adjusted to the thread length of 20 mm. Use a size 3 hex wrench. Tighten the locking bolt of the preload adjustment knob. Turn left. The right rear shock absorber is installed back to the upper installation point by video. And pre-tighten the bolts. Lift the rear rocker arm to align with the right. After the rear shock absorption installation hole, install the lower mounting point bolts back. By video method, install back the installation point bolt under the left rear shock absorption. Left and right rear shock absorption has the word 10 on the surface. It needs to be installed on the right side of the vehicle. Use a torque wrench and a 16 gauge sleeve. Tighten the installation point bolts under the left and right rear shock absorption. The torque value is 20 nanometers. Use a torque wrench. Number 14 sleeve and number 14 open wrench. Tighten the installation point bolts on the left and right rear shock absorbers. The torque value is 50 nanometers. Plug the left and right rear shock absorber bolts according to the video method. Align the groove in the tail skirt. Load back L for left and 2 for right.